Today is the day, ladies and gentlemen. We are finally getting a exhaust, bro. We're getting the mufflers cut off and some tips put on. First things first, I got to go donate plasma. I'm a dad. I got 2 kids, a wife, and 3 animals. So every dollar counts. So whenever I want to buy something for my car, I'll go donate plasma real quick. Get a cool 150. Buy something for my car. But yeah, I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll see you guys at the muffler shop. Alright, we are done selling. We just got done selling our bodies for car parts. Just got done doing the plasma donation. And luckily, the shop is right here. Literally a couple feet away. So let's get it going. Just a little update. We were going to get some tips, but I overestimated the cost. I thought it was gonna be $65 for both, but he said $65 each. So I was like, oh shit, never mind. Yeah, it is what it is. All right, it's been like a week since I last recorded. I'm not good at doing YouTube, so I like to do TikTok and Instagram, so go follow those. I'll put them in the description. But let's get a cool start. I think personally it sounds pretty much the same, maybe a little bit, tiny bit deeper, but not louder at all. So a lot of people are saying that I need to take off the resonator as well. So I don't know, we'll see about doing that. But yeah, I still don't have the tips. I'm gonna get them soon though. But yeah, let's start it. Now let's throw in some revs.